Are you gonna go down?
You have to go down the slide.
Come on.
Sit down. You gotta sit down first. On your butt.
You ready?
Okay, go. Oh, my hips don't fit. Oh, my lanta.
It's a good thing it didn't burn holes in your pants.
How was the slide though? That was so much.
Oh, there you are. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. You see that swing over there? Wow, that's the coolest swing I've ever seen.
Come on. Oh yeah, that's what happens when you push the empty swing.
Is that fun, Jordan? Swinging on a dinosaur's neck. Ah! Say, oh my gosh! Higher? 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 All right. Oh your gosh. She'll hang pretty good. Whoa, look at her go. Good job, Jordan. You're strong.
You're really strong, Jordan. Right here.
Look at the dinosaur bone.
Human bones. Not we're just kidding, the dinosaur bones.
Dinosaur DNA.
Dinosaur bones.
Oh, it's not. It's just a rock wall. Get those branches. You teach those branches a lesson. Hi. Did you see Adventure Cat? I mean Nature Cat. It's Nature Cat, huh? Smell them.
Really?
Do you like the way it smells? You like it?
Tastes good? Yeah.
Yeah?
Not so much.
Mmm. Hi, Jordan. Push, push, guys, push! Don't run anybody over.
They're on the bear hunt.
Whoa! It says what? Bah! Bah! Go ahead.
Oh, too bad we can't get in the wagon.
Yeah, look at that sheep. Bah! That's a big, that's like a, something else. That's a big sheep.
Don't sit on it.
No.
Hold on. Don't let go, okay? Hold his ear. Hold on to that ear.
Wow.
Motorcycle. Don't let go. Don't let off him.
Say bye.
Take a picture.
Say bye. Ride that sheep. Say bye.
That's so funny.
Sheep riders.
Yeehaw.
Jordan, look at me and smile. Smile, Jordan.
Hey, geez.
Just remember, you can only ride fake sheeps. Real sheeps, you cannot ride.
They wouldn't let you. Yeah. That's just too bad.
Not too bad.
Let me record you in there. I can stand in line, but you.
Whatever. She's out of here.
Where are you going?
Let me get a handful of leaves.
Come on, Jordan. Come on.
Bye!
Let's go.
Are you gonna play softball? You're gonna play softball like your mommy, huh? Oh, okay.
That's you.
Wow, there you go, Jordan. Whoops. Somebody's awake. What's up, bud? What's up, buddy? You checking out the party? She loves rocks. Did you get a good one?
Get a good one. Let's see. Either like this one.
Let her pick them out. She can pick them out. It's fine. Is that the one you want, Jordan? Are you sure?
Get that one then.
That's a good one. I like that one.
On the white light part, you want purple? Big one? Get the pink one. Big eyeball or the little one? Now you get a pinky rock.
Okay, you gotta put your eyeballs on before it dries. There you go.
Okay, you gotta pick your rock. Good job, Bodie. Pick your
Good job, Becca. Okay. Are you gonna put eyeballs on or not?
The animals. Look. Go look at the turkeys. Look. Don't put your hands in there. You just look with your eyes, not with your hands. Cool, huh? It's a turkey. Say hi, turkey. Turkeys go. See? Hi, Jordan. Hi, Jordan. Is that fun? Thank you.
Look at that, yummy.
Say thanks, Jen.
Welcome.
That was good.
Oh, it's condensed milk.
Yeah. You can take pictures inside the video.
You can't? Oh, yeah, huh? Oh, careful. You okay? Hi, Emmett.
Come on.
His hat. Pull his hat down. And there you go. Okay, say cheese, Kev. Say cheese, Kev. Jordan, look. All right. Oh man, she got you. He got you good. Oh, let's get this.
Oh no.
Oh no, Emmett, what happened?
What happened, bud?
I'm so sorry. Let's say goodbye. Poor Auntie Jen. Look, he still loves you too. He's trying to
Please help.
No, he said spit up.
Oh, spit up?
I'll send you this picture, don't worry.
Oh,
It's
sorry.
okay, it's okay. I just had to keep recording.
Oh man, that was a lot.
Look at.
Well, that's it, bud. Say bye. Say bye. That was fun, huh? So there's Mom and Jordan and Jen. Say bye, everybody. Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody.